If your Chrome download is this slow, then I have a solution for you. Go to search menu and type GoPeed download inside the first site. It's like download for Windows. Once download done, double click on the setup and install. And now this GoPeed opens up. Minimize this. Right now I have 78 kbps downloading in Chrome. Uh, the same download I do in GoPeed. Copy this link address and then open the GoPeed app. Click on create new task. Paste the link and select confirm. 3GP download. The same file we are downloading it 800 kbps. Right here it's only download 80 kbps. It's downloading 2 mbps right now. And look at the speed. This is the best app you can use for Chrome downloads. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.